Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to share with you a restoration of a pillager tower I found in this world and what I've been working on. This is going to be a really quick video because my other video about the restoration of this tower was mostly silent. I was trying to dictate what was going on in the background of that particular video, and it didn't really capture the audio. So I'm sorry for that. But this is incredibly epic, and I want to share with you final product. You can already see it going through there. It's imposing, but to really capture the ominous effect, I'm going to be flying around this coastline right here and haul it on up to the... You can already see it in the corner. And as we round this back, there it is. Corner, there it is. The full thing on full display. I'll give you a quick rundown of all the aspects I've managed to build on this thing. First thing I did was redid the roof. You can see all the detail in there with the stairs, and added these 5 spires right here. I replaced all the cobblestone with the cobblestone, as well as the dark oak log pillars with all this stone brick framework around. I added these really cool details to the sides right here, and I even added details down here for these, and added iron bars for the windows. I even put in like a little empty doorway right here. I actually forgot a corner, so I'll do that real quick. Basically, what I did here was I made a single unifying line around the central base of this, the bottom part of the central tower. The central part of the tower body for this tower. And that's really all the detail that I added. Another thing I added is I fixed these railings. They originally had a gap in the middle, but I actually filled in the gaps completely, so the pillagers are not gonna fall off. Now, my original design was the thing to be like that. It was going to be like this, but in taller, because I was going to have this first section of the body, this base flipped and put up this first section of the, also flipped, added on top of, and added where the roof is on this thing, and then flip it again and put the roof on there, which would be right about that tall. That would be really epic, but I couldn't fit that in my restoration video. But that would be the most but isn't this an incredibly imposing tower? Another thing I actually repaired was I had a good time completely redoing was the jail cells. I actually put first planks for the floor, which actually mirrors both the pillager tower, as well as the ruin, as well as the mansions. Yes, I did add the stone brick pillars here too. And if you don't mind, I'm gonna do a few things on camera. That's gonna be really help break up the monotony of this place. In case you didn't, you can't tell, this place is actually really monotonous. The roof used to be really monotonous. I actually wanted to go ahead and fix that. I'm gonna do just like this. I'm gonna do this and this. Now I can just do this right here. And yeah, that pretty much sums up a couple of finishing details for this thing. These are the tents down here. The floors, these fences are fine, but it's the floors that really grind my gears. I want them to be birch planks and not dark oak planks. Look, I get it. Look, I get it. Dark oak planks are... Look, I get it. Dark oak, totally a vibe for the pillagers. I never understood why this particular tent has pumpkins in it. All I understood was... Now, the reason why I chose birch planks for the floors is because it both mirrors the floors of both the Pillager Tower as well as the woodland floors of the woodland mansion, which really ties into this pillager theme I'm trying to craft around this structure. That's all the time I have for now. Oh, there's a couple of things I also wanted to point out before we leave this video. I managed to fix these. I also managed to fix these stairwells. I cleaned a couple of places up in here. I cleaned the interior. I managed to fix the holes for the stairwells. And I even managed to replace the stairs with their stone brick variants too. But that's all the time I have for this video. This is really epic to show you this. And this is Bigfoot O'Brien, over and out. See you soon. Bye. And remember, stay happy and healthy.